Alright guys, this is your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair, and I just want to let you know, man, just start vlogging and recording your everyday experiences in appliance repair. There are some people that want to see that. There are some people that all they want to do is watch videos, tutorials on how to fix something or how to do something. So with you being able to fix stuff and do stuff like repair appliances each and every day, why don't you use that as a tool to help you move forward and put those out so that you could captivate and capture and also educate some of the people who need to repair their appliance, and or someone who just wants to watch you do it. There are a lot of people who just like to watch other people do things, and you could be that one person that could captivate their attention. Go ahead now, this is LP.